All right, business owners, listen up. Cybersecurity threats are evolving every day, and staying ahead isn't just an option, it's a necessity. That's where Stealth-ISS Cyber Talent as a Service steps in. Imagine having on-demand access to top-tier cybersecurity experts, consultants, and subject matter experts without the overhead of an in-house team. Sounds like a game changer, right? Here's the deal. Stealth-ISS offers a range of benefits that can transform your business's security posture. Lower your cybersecurity risk by leveraging their specialized expertise across various industries and technologies. Need to expedite compliance? They've got you covered. Want to accelerate your security projects? Done. Cost savings are a big win, too. Why spend a fortune building and maintaining a full-time team when you can access the same level of expertise on a fractional basis? Plus, their services are scalable and flexible. Adjust resources as your business evolves or augment your staff for specific projects and timeframes. At the core of their offerings are security engineers and VCISO services. These virtual Chief Information Security Officers provide strategic guidance and leadership to keep your security initiatives on point. So, if you're ready to fortify your business against ever-growing cyber threats, it's time to consider Stealth-ISS Cyber Talent as a Service. Check out their website for more details or give them a call at 866-500-0751. Remember, in today's digital landscape, proactive security isn't just a benefit. It's a critical necessity. Thanks for watching and stay secure.